last time on Gierok Farms. Hello everyone and welcome to Gierok Farms. In today's video we are going to be combining my corn. Bearings gone. She is no more. I don't think that would have gone very well. Let's keep using that. And we are back up and running. First load went okay. The hitch seems to be holding up. I gotta check the tire pressure though. That front left that's a smaller tire and it's squatting really good. I better check that before we keep going here. Might add a little bit of air. Back on the road. I added about 5 pounds to each tire. See if that helps with the squatting. This front left one is a size smaller and is looking kind of rough compared to the other one, so if one's gonna blow, that's the one I expect to blow. We're gonna try her here. We are switched over now to where Mason, he caught me, so Dad hooked up to his gravity wagon that he was pulling with the 7510. So he's unloading that now with the MTA, and then the Oliver's running the conveyor. And Mason went back to grab that that wagon that's still up there. So now in the rotation here, at least for those 2 small ones, we'll be unhooking and going in order to cut back on Matt having to wait for us. gonna try to stay uphill with this wagon here. Try to stay on the level as I can. There's just them 2 bolts in the back, and then the chains in the front. So I don't wanna lose her. That would really suck. So we're gonna hang out up here. You guys keep an eye on it back there. Things appear to be going well up here. Sucks he had to wait for us a little bit, but I'll call him here in a second and have him top me off before he gets too full. And then I can make my trip count. I don't want to be quite as full as I was last time, but we can put a little more in there. We're not quite to the extension yet. The Magnum appears to be running good. I'm happy with my purchase so far. And it's looking good too. The paint really stands out, especially on camera. That red really pops. He's full, making every trip count. Hopefully I don't regret it. we got 2 empty wagons. We got 1 plumb full one, and we're gonna leave that one full. We're getting up to where Dad has had it full before, if not past, and we don't want to push it, and he can just feed out of that one right away. So we're gonna clean up here, get the conveyor put away, and get that wagon inside. And there you have it. We are wrapped up with combining corn. It was a really solid day. We got the granary packed full. We got that wagon plumb full. It's a good feeling to have my crop in, especially because we're forecasted to get a handful of rain days here. So I'm very, very grateful and happy that we got it off today. All that's really left to do for fall is some light tillage, maybe clean some edges of that field, try to get some more acres out of that. As for specs, I don't know if I told you guys, the corn tested 15.6 yesterday at one of the local elevators, so under 16% moisture, which is great. That'll keep really well in the granary, even if we have some carryover into the spring and we get some hotter, warmer days there. I'm not worried one bit about that grain keeping. Plenty dry. As for yield, I'm happy with it. Considering the year that we had with excessive moisture and what I started with up there, that ground was very depleted, and it's due for a rotation and some soil building, some more potash. I'm happy with what I got, I guess would be the way to put it. Huge thank you to Matt. As far as I know, we didn't have any more issues with the combine. Everything went good. I did see some pretty good shelling, but I think a lot of that's just because the corn's so dry that if you want less shelling, especially with an older combine and less header loss, you want to take it wetter. All in all, really happy with the job Matt did. Really happy with how everything went today. Thank you all for the support. Remember, check out GierokFarms.com. If you want to support us more than you already do by watching the videos, check us out, GierokFarms.com. Winter's right around the corner. Get yourself an awesome sweatshirt. Thank you all for being part of the journey. Thanks for being part of this community. Leave comments down below how harvest went in your neck of the woods, what the corn was yielding out there, when guys were taking it. I think it's been an awesome fall so far. That's going to be it, and we will see you next time.